Hi, this is Mr. Asher. So today I am going to be proving that these two triangles here, AED and CEB, are congruent. I'm using the handout I have over here on my right. These steps right here can help me prove that these two triangles are congruent. So let's go ahead and get started. So step one, I want to read the entire problem once before I mark anything at all and determine which triangles I need to prove are congruent. So it says that in the diagram below, triangle DEA and triangle BCE. Okay, so I see those two triangles, DEA and BCE. AB and CD intersect at point E, okay, such that AE is congruent to CE and angle BCE is congruent to DAE. So it says triangle DAE can be proved congruent to triangle BCE by, and it gives us four different options of ways we can proving them, ways that we can prove them congruent. Okay, so now I know that I care about triangles DAE and BCE, and those are the ones I'm going to be trying to prove are congruent. Great. Okay, so now I'm going to read through the entire problem again and take note of any givens that they have. So it gives me a few things. It says that AE is congruent to CE, so I can mark that right away. So AE is right here, is congruent to CE, okay? And angle BCE, so that is angle BCE right here. We always use the middle letter for the angle that we should mark. And DAE, so DAE, okay. Great, so we've marked all of our givens now. Step 3 is translate the givens into useful facts, but they haven't given us anything that we need to translate. They've actually told us exactly which angles are congruent and which sides are congruent. So step 4, look for isosceles triangles based on givens. I don't see any isosceles triangles here, so I'm going to move to step 5. Look for parallel lines. And again, no parallel lines have been given to us, so we can skip step 5. All right, step 6, look for vertical angles and mark them. Great, so I immediately see a set of vertical angles. I see lines that cross, and when lines cross, it always is going to give us some vertical angles. So I know that angle AED here is going to be vertical with angle CEB, so these two angles are going to be congruent. Great, so immediately now I see that we have enough information to prove that these two triangles are congruent, because we have an angle, a side, and an angle, and we have a corresponding angle, side, and angle. So I now know that triangle AED can be proved congruent to BCE by angle, side, angle. So answer choice 1 has to be our correct answer.